Hello engineer, welcome back to this channel, smartkembo Discover Science. As today I'm going to show you this another project. So our project is based on automatic chicken feeder. So this is our system, and this system I'm done it on Proteus Professional with the help of this arduino IDE. So if you need both of these Proteus circuit diagram, Proteus file and the arduino code, just join into our Telegram channel. The link is found on the description. So let's get started on this. So on this system we have some component, like we have arduino uno, also we have 16 by 2 liquid crystal display, also we have this RTC DS1307. so this is a real-time clock. Also we have this water sensor, ultrasonic sensor. So this is a servo motor. Also we have a temperature sensor, and we have a water pump. So this temperature, so for will measure the temperature. Also this LCD will display anything that is going on through this project, through this system. So we have this arduino. So this is a program. So we have water sensor, as you see, temperature together with ultrasonic sensor, and so on. So how this system will work? For now we'll say this is our program. So first I'm going to save this program into this piece, into the desktop. So I'm going to save this on desktop in order to be easy to find the X file. So I click on save as. I'm going to click on save as. I'm going to save on desktop and allow the automatic kitchen. So I'm going to write automatic UN. So done saving. So I have already saved these on desktop. So right back into this Proteus. As you see, I have to double click on arduino uno. On this part you have program file. So you have to add the program file on this part. So this part, I'm going to click on this and then find desktop and then automatic one. So nothing found. So you have to do this. So click on this sketch. So before click on the sketch, so this system is automatic system. So I'm going to set a time for fading. So let's see. So this is my demonstration, but you can do in your ear. You have to set at morning and at evening, but you can add more times as you need. So for this I use only 2. So for now, let's check. For now is 11:21. I'm going to light 11:23 minutes 23. So this is for morning, and I have to light for evening, but I use the same time. So click on this, add 11. I'm going to light 25. 25. No, 24. Another 25. So this will be, let me light 24, and this will be 25, 26. So click on 26 and then click sketch and then export compiled binary. So click, and you have to light this until compilation is done. So you'll be able to get an X file from this arduino IDE. So if you're first time to see your channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, so you will get a lot of simulation on this channel. and more projects as do it at your home. So you have to wait until this compilation is done. And make sure on your projects you have all of these library. You have ultrasonic sensor and water sensor. This is library. So done compiling. So now compiling is done. As my time I said, okay. So right click on this and double click and add a program file to this, and click on desktop and then automatic one. So now automatic 1.1.standard. So double click to add and then click OK. So now let's check our system how is. Yeah. So when I'm start learning the program, by the time now is 20, 21, 24. So the feeding is on. This motor will rotate at this angle. As you see, so click. So see this motor will rotate to open, means that the food is on. So as you see, and let's change this feeding is 1 is at column 1. Let's put it on column 2. Feed is on. Okay. I'm going to light there, then click 1 and very quickly compile binary 24. Fading is on. I'm going to put down on this, so just wait until compiling is done. Now it's 25, but you have 26 on this side, so it's very easy. So just wait until compiling is done. So I stop this program and back to Arduino Uno. Also, if you need this Arduino Uno together with program file, Proteus circuit diagram, just join into our Telegram channel. The link is found on the description. So double click on this Arduino Uno and then add. To add very fastly, and then click. So now our system is off for this time. I have to wait until it is 26. Just wait. You will see this water pump is rotate, means there is no water. So you have to wait. So this motor is on. As you see, so this motor be on, means there is no water. So at this time 26, just wait. This on this is very slow, but when done it's on real practical, it is very fast. It is very fast. So just wait, and I will try this to do into real practical and to see how this program is work. So I wait. So for this time feeding is off, but the only time is 27, but on my system still not yet. So just wait, because this I'm done it on the software, so the software is very slow. My computer is very slow, but when you do it on real practical, it will go very well. So I wait. Fading is off. At 26, the fading will be on. As you see, the fading is on, water pump is off, and the temperature is on. So when temperature increases inside, so when the temperature increases, let's see what's going on. This bulb will turn off. So it increase the temperature. So I increase the temperature minimum, maximum. So this will be off. Let's put this in separate. So the temperature will be off, as you see. Temperature off. So temperature off at this time. So when temperature decreases, this bulb will be on. Let's see. This bulb will be on. Maybe the temperature decreases. Also, let's see for water pump. I have to increase this water sensor. Please up to high. As you see, the water will stop. But something wrong with this, but it's fine. Let's see. Water pump is high. There is something wrong. So as you see, this is off. Water pump will be off. Temperature on because temperature is very low. So right decreases the water level. And see, the motor will be on. Yeah, motor is on now. Thanks for this video, and just wait for a video for really practical about this automatic chicken.